Hello my fabulous people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting into a neat cornrow tutorial on natural hair, and guess what, we're doing it without any gel. Yes, you heard that right, no gel, just you, your hair, a bit of technique, and that's all. Now while we dive into these beautiful cornrows, let me share a story that's all too relatable about my friend Chijioke. Chijioke is a kind of guy who thinks consistency means starting a diet on Monday and forgetting about it by Wednesday. You know that type, right? So Chijioke decided he wants to lose weight. He gets up, pumped up, and declares, "This week, I'm eating salad for breakfast and lunch and dinner." By Wednesday, he's in a buka down the street ordering jollof rice, plantain, and that extra piece of chicken. You know how we'll do it, right? And then it's next week. I'll start again. Sounds familiar. I can see you're nodding. Well, here's the thing. Chijioke didn't realize that real change comes from small, consistent steps, just like with our hair. If you want to get good at cornrowing, it's all about practice. I mean, think about it. You don't just wake up one day and braid like a pro. It takes time, and sometimes it gets messy. Trust me, I know. Let's take this first section. Notice how I parted the hair. Clean parts are essential for neat cornrows, just like Chijioke learned that you can't just skip meals and expect to lose weight. You've got to put in the work, and no gel doesn't mean it can't look sharp. It just means we are relying on our skills and a bit of water to help tame the frizz. Look at that. Just like Chijioke learns to eat more salads while still enjoying his jollof. So back to our guy. Chijioke finally figured out that consistency is key. He started going to the gym, not just on Mondays, but throughout the week. And guess what? He didn't give up on his jollof. He learned to balance it out, and he's now a regular at the gym, looking sharp and ready to flex. Now, as we continue this cornrow journey, remember that each braid is like each healthy meal or gym section. Important on its own, but even better when you build on it. If you mess up a braid, don't sweat it. Just undo it and try again. Consistency is about showing up, not about being perfect from the get-go. And voila! You see? That is what we get. By consistency, I mean, braiding one at a time. There's no need rushing. You take your time, do it little by little. Go little by little. For we say, slow and steady wins the race. If you're not a pro yet, there is no need rushing it. You take it in your own pace and make sure you capture the hair bit by bit. Don't rush to other sections. And voila! There you have it. A beautiful set of cornrows without any gel, just like Chijioke, balancing his jollof and salads. You can rock this look with pride, knowing that you've put in the effort. Remember, every small step counts, whether it's with hair or your goals in life. So my lovely people, if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below, sharing your own stories of consistency, and tell me what hairstyles you want to learn next. Until next time, keep shining, and remember, practice makes perfect. So you can go in with your mousse. The mousse helps to keep any fly outs in place, but it's not even necessary. As you can see, it was already shiny before the mousse. So bye for now.